Here we are with an Anytec 750 SPD. Let's go through how you fold and unfold the canopy step by step. Start by detaching the side panels. When stowing the panels, remember to fold them only in one direction. Continue by detaching the straps. Close the zippers and detach the front. Put the front on top of the roof. Put the travelers in its bottommost position. Angle the frames forward and put the middle frame together with the front frame. And then put the whole piece backwards. Attach the pocket. And put the straps inside. Put the panels in the storage bag to avoid damage during stowage. Now you've finished folding the canopy for the 750 SPD. Let's unfold the canopy. Start by removing the pocket. Unfold the frames. Fold the middle and the front forwards first, and then push the middle one back. Put the travelers to its position. Make sure it clicks. Attach the front. Attach and tighten the strap. Continue by mounting the stern piece. Finish by attaching the side panels. Starboard is marked with green and port with red. Remember to pull in the rope for a better angle. Attach the triangle and tighten the strap. Roll down the window. Take down the zippers. You can put this band up here for it to be out of sight. Now you've finished mounting the canopy for the 750 SPD.